So we're going to start out with a couple of white fibers, right? Spade rooster fibers, and we're going to divide those fibers
Yep.
out each side. Then we're going to take some pheasant tail, like 2 or 3.
3 barbs.
Okay. See how cheap I am? I'm using these straggler barbs because, man, I'm on a pheasant tail one on 130.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to wrap these on.
My old man used to straighten nails.
Yeah.
Reuse them again.
Sure. Well, look at with fish hooks. You know, I mean, when a fly goes belly up after so many fish, I cut the material off and use the same hook again.
Yeah.
And I'm going to wrap these fibers forward
Yep.
to create the abdomen
And then
and the thorax, because we're going to.
Yep. And then start doubling up, tripling up on the abdomen. Because they have a real tapered body.
Yeah, and they're really thick in the abdomen.
Yeah.
And leaving enough room for, see, we made that a little thicker. Now we're going to put a hackle, a little hen hackle of white. Okay, and now 2 turns, correct?
Right. Yep.
1, 2,
That's it.
sweep the fibers back, like such. Trim this off. Here, you can take this one home with you.
I'll save it.
Say, put it in your wallet. And there it is. In this pattern, you're going to fish with just the tiniest bit of action.
Yeah, and no grease.
No grease.
No grease. You want it, partly sunk, where all the other ones are on the surface. You want it to stand out over all the other spinners.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. I hope so. Split tail, couple turns of hackle, pheasant tail body. The top secret pheasant tail trico.